Guess what? It's my birthday month. On August the 19th, I'm going to turn 44, and to celebrate, I've teamed up with DermRays to give away 3 of their professional grade devices, 1 of each model. That means that there will be 1 DermRays Revive, 1 FusionGlow, and 1 DermRays LED mask up for grabs. But here's what each device does, so that you can pick the one that you want to enter for. First up, the DermRays Revive. Now, the DermRays Revive is my favourite at-home skincare laser that uses a 1064nm diode laser. That's a wavelength proven to stimulate collagen, improve skin firmness, reduce redness and pigmentation issues, and smooth the look of fine lines. It's designed for targeted, high-precision treatment, and it's the same technology that you'll find in some in-clinic procedures, now packaged for safe home use. Next up, the DermRays FusionGlow. The DermRays FusionGlow is a microcurrent facial toning device, and microcurrent works by delivering gentle electrical impulses to your facial muscle, which can help to lift, contour and define the face over time. Now, if you want something to support a more sculpted look alongside your skincare routine, then this is the one to watch. And then last but not least, there is the DermRays LED mask. Now, I don't have one of these to hand right now, but this LED mask is a flexible wearable mask that covers the entire face and neck. It combines 3 wavelengths: blue light to help with breakouts, red light to calm redness and support collagen, and near infrared for deeper skin rejuvenation. It's pretty much a set and relax device, so you just wear it while the light does the work. So, that all important information. Here's how to enter. First of all, like this video. Secondly, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and your subscriptions are public. This is checked before any entries are put into the selection process. And then third, leave a comment letting me know which one of these devices that you would like. And in around about 20 words, tell me what skin concern that you'd use it for. And bonus alert, if you also follow my Instagram account and comment on the giveaway post linked in the description, you'll get double the entries. That entries close August the 21st, and winners will be randomly selected from eligible entries and contacted directly by moi. This giveaway is not sponsored or endorsed by YouTube or Instagram, and if you've been thinking about buying a DermRays device and you want to get one before this competition ends, then orders placed using the link in the description, and with my code TJ140 before the end of August will get you the biggest discount of the year. I want to say thank you to so many of you for supporting my channel over the last 5 years. It has been one crazy journey, and I'm so happy that I've had so many of you with me, and I'm even happier that I get to give things like this away to some of you. Good luck!